Wizuda's FOI and SARs management, compliant, instant, auditable. FOI forms can easily be created with your specific requirements and ID verification rules and made available on your company website. All data is automatically uploaded securely and compliantly with end-to-end encryption. Each form can have assignees, watchers and managers, and you can easily configure what you want each to be automatically notified of. For example, to see any external responses, when the status of the request is updated or for all changes. The Wizuda dashboard gives you a clear, high-level view of all your FOI and SARs requests, grouped by priority, SLA status, and monthly view. Below you can see the case details which you can then drill into. On the top left, you can see the FOI form as it was filled out by the requester. On the right, you can see the SLA, time to resolution left, creation and last updated timestamps, who the case is assigned to, if anyone is watching over the case, and the status. Note, you can have a different internal status if you wish. You can also specify if the ID authentication was verified. Those working on the case can send internal communications securely, which are logged on the left. On the right, you can see all attachments that have been uploaded for this case. With Wizuda, you can attach files of any size, from patient scans to CCTV. By default, there is a full audit trail and history in the bottom left, and the history of any external communications on the bottom right of the dashboard. Built with privacy by design, all data is encrypted by default and fully audited. To send a secure message, simply respond to the case. The requester's email address is automatically populated, and you can attach the requested files. Wizuda includes recipient verification checks and optional approval flows if required. Because every action is tracked in Wizuda, you can see when the recipient has read and downloaded the content, or you can fully retract the message and attachments should you wish. You can export the full case details into a Excel, CSV or PDF format instantly. Isn't it time you took the stress out of FOI and SAR compliance? Visit us at wizuda.com. We'd love to hear from you.